Rose, I got this all-star from World Class.
Yeah.
My son wanted me to light it.
And it is a boy firework.
And you got Spider-Man costume on. Let's get it.
A Spider-Man? Where?
Yeah, we're gonna go outside right now. We're gonna just walk out here and just light it. Alright. So we got the bands right here. So let's get it. Oh yeah, for y'all pyros, man. We got the fuse right here. This is the all-star pyro. Good. Oh, we got it! We got it! Let's get it! What? 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 Stay over there. Stay over there. It's America. Oh, she's lit. Get some pyro. She's lit. Oh, look at the ground blooms. Look at the ground blooms. You lit, pyro. It's America pyro. Get it. It's America. This is an all-star. Yeah, that shit burn. We all-star.
Daddy! Put them under the car!
Go around the car, it'll be alright.
I got it.
It's lit, pyro.
I got it out.
You get it, pyro. We get it. All-star.